Adding a new receipt is straightforward. The app automatically generates a unique ID for every entry to keep your records organized. Start by selecting the receipt date from the calendar. Next, assign a category and choose the merchant from the drop-down menus. This makes it much easier to filter your expenses later on. To add your proof of purchase, click Add Photo under the Receipt Photo area. You can select the image from your files, and the app will display a preview right here. Now enter the subtotal and the actual tax amount. The total is calculated automatically, including any miscellaneous fees you might need to add. Select your payment method and use the notes field for any specific details, like what the purchase was for or which project it belongs to. If you have extra documentation, like photos of the items themselves or a warranty card, you can add those in the Additional Photos section at the bottom. When everything looks correct, click Save and Confirm. Your new entry is now part of the summary view, where you can quickly review your history, filter by merchant, or click the photo icon to see your high-resolution copies.